Alright, quarantine 9. Here we come. Sorry, neighbors. Hey guys, good morning. 7 o'clock, Sunday, going to quarantine 9. And I'm excited because all the kinks are worked out in the GTO. Remember, quarantine 7, if you missed it, check out that video. It didn't end very well. Quarantine 8, I missed because the day before I found that electrical problem in the fan. So now, quarantine 9. So looking forward to having a good day. Knock on wood, nothing happens. So let's have some fun. Be right back. I think I know where you're going.
I love that car, man.
Thanks, man. I love yours too. I hear you, but my back hurts. Yours probably doesn't.
No.
Really? Hey guys, what's up? So, made it. Green's looking good in the sun. Let's check that out. We are. Guys, here's Ryan's car. I know Ryan, you're watching. It's part of the channel. Ryan, it's awesome. There's an awesome 68 GTO with judge stripes on it. Well done. As you guys know, this is a car from last video. This is Brendan's 67 Firebird with an LS 427. He works for Hot Wheels. And I have the matching Hot Wheels car that he autographed for me, which is nice. Hey guys, this is Johnny's 67 Tempest Air Ride. Completely badass. Look at this engine compartment. Tech Tri-Power. How badass is that? Here's his Instagram. Don't walk into a meeting and say bugs. You guys know War Machine or not from Instagram? Look at that craziness. Boosted Bell. You guys gotta follow him on Instagram. Love this ride.
on TV for a while, weren't you?
Yeah.
I'm Mike.
I'm Mike.
Nice to meet you. So you obviously know what you're doing.
Later, brother. Hi, brother. Be safe. Thank you. Thank you. Look at that picture. Look at that sticker. Might have to get that, huh?
You like that, huh?
Oh my god. I guess see what's going on over here though. Somebody to throw their hood away.
You guys don't know if you can hear me, but this is Scott's car. 65 GTO, tri-power. Looking good, brother.
Badass 70, sorry, can't talk with a mask on. Except for the steering wheel.
kind of like mine. Awesome. Nice 68. Way to represent, brother. Yeah, man. Hey guys, so Quarantine 9 was a blast. I had so much fun. If you're in Southern California, the next one comes around, Quarantine 10, Quarantine 11. I highly recommend you go, even if you don't have your car is built or not. If it's not built, you should show up anyway. It's a killer car show and give you guys some ideas of what to do for your build. That's the whole point. So, special thanks to those FMGers that showed up. Ryan, Scott, Johnny, Brendan, Carlos, Miguel. There's a ton of Pontiacs there, more than I've seen before. Some new ones and some old ones. And new, I mean, 2006. So anyway, guys, thanks for hanging out. You guys know the drill. Subscribe if you haven't, and we'll continue the madness with some more projects, some more car shows, and we'll go from there. Building fast, driving faster. See ya.